Well, what I was sharing today was for the last year, we've been rolling X1 out to all of our video subscribers. It's now available across the country, and we've been really pleased with the results. And what I wanted to share today was some of the new features that we're going to be making available on X1 in the coming months. One of the advantages of the X1 platform is it really gives us the ability to almost breathe new life and rethink what a TV experience is going to be, because everything is really based in the cloud. So, for example, a few weeks ago, we introduced a new guide for X1, and it didn't require a new set-top box. Everyone who had X1 ultimately woke up and they were able to see this new guide that just appeared on their television. So the ability to try to innovate and create things, it's much more like a web experience than historically what we've had in the cable industry. So the ability to create really immersive guides with recommendations and personalization, and start to pull in social media as well and create an experience that you've never really been able to see before. It really blurs the lines between live TV and DVR and on-demand, and almost just presents choices, to a customer in a very highly personalized way. Part of what we have on the X1 platform is on the guide, we actually have an apps section where customers can go where they can get data information, weather, traffic, stock quotes. You can also, it's a place where you can get your voicemail if you're a Comcast digital voice subscriber. Later this year, we're going to introduce the ability where if you're a Comcast home security customer, you'll actually be able to check your thermostat on your television, check your video cameras on your TV. So almost starting to rethink how the TV can become a destination, not only for video, but for video, data, and other types of non-traditional sources of content. There's other things that we're looking to do. So for example, for the Sochi Olympics, we worked with NBC where we were able to take their NBC Live Extra app, which was really designed for mobile platforms, where they were streaming raw live feeds from Sochi to mobile devices, and we put it on the X1. Almost all of that content was programming that was not being broadcast across any of the NBCU networks. So for X1, you actually had the ability to get this unfettered access to a much broader array of programming on the TV that wasn't coming from traditional sources. I think you'll continue to see us lean in this direction of both looking to find ways of making non-traditional video available on X1, but also looking for ways to bring other data to enhance the video experience, almost whether it's a companion experience or an interactive experience, so it's much more immersive and relevant to the customer.